Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, March 20th, 2025. Happy first day of spring. I'm so excited that spring is finally here. Although in Maine, spring does not mean, no more snow or cold weather. In fact, I remember being a kid and having snow in May here in Maine. But anyway, it's good to know that there's going to be a lot more sunshine and longer, brighter days. But with that being said, this video is all about easy ways to create more income without working overtime. A lot of people think the only way that they're going to make extra money is by working overtime at their job, and that simply isn't true. You don't want to trade your time for money if you can help it, right? And if you've never seen any of my videos before, I'm Russ. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 plus years. I've been fortunate enough to be working full time for myself since 2018. And I'm super passionate about helping people create mailbox money, okay? I love direct mail opportunities, and, they can be very profitable if you know what you're doing and put in the work, okay? And before I go any further, I just got to say, I can't guarantee you're going to make any money if you join me in any of my opportunities. It's totally dependent on your work ethic, but I can tell you that the people who join me and take massive action get results, okay? So with that being said, if you want extra income, working overtime, in my opinion, is not the solution if you're working a job, okay, which most people are. And there's nothing wrong with that. I've had more jobs, I worked longer for other people than I have for myself in my life, okay? So I'm not knocking on jobs or anything like that, but a job is really an acronym for just over broke. And the way that you're going to be able to quit the rat race and become financially free is by having your own business, all right? Own your own business. It doesn't have to be a multi-billion-dollar company. It could be a direct mail business. All right. It could be an affiliate marketing business. It could be a membership program where you get recurring income every single month or every year. There's all kinds of different ways that you can create a side hustle. All right. And the ways that I do it is through direct mail. I send out postcards. All right. Look like this. I'm in a couple different postcard opportunities, and if you can mail out postcards, you can make these opportunities work. Okay, so what I do is I take the leads that I get from these postcard opportunities, because that's the product that you get with direct mail. In most direct mail opportunities, the product that you're getting when you join are leads, all right? And these are opportunity-seeking leads. So these are people who are looking for ways to supplement or replace their income from home. And so I take these leads that I get, I mail out the direct mail opportunity to them, along with all my other opportunities, and I have really good results. I get really good results each and every month, all right? So every day I get people joining me in my programs. I get paid weekly in most of all my programs, and I just have really good success with how I do things, okay? Now, I do focus on Facebook and YouTube when it comes to online marketing, because those are the second and third most visited websites in the world after Google, and there's over 5 billion active users on there each and every month. So I focus on Facebook and YouTube and making videos. And then I send out my letters every week, all right, direct mail. And it just flat out works if you put in the work. That's the key. You have to put in the work. You have to, agree to show up every day, stay committed, take massive action, and stay consistent. Consistency is what wins the game in the long run. So if you can do that, then you can make these opportunities work, all right? And it's a lot easier than working overtime at your job and trading time for money. You don't want to, you want to focus on passive and semi-passive income streams. You don't want to be trading your time for money if you can help it, right? And mailing out postcards, it takes very, very little time to, affix a peel and stick address label and a stamp to a postcard and take it down to your post office. It doesn't take any time at all. In fact, you could do, 100 postcards in 15 minutes once you get the system down on how to do it. So it's super easy. You want to do that because then you're not trading your time for money. You know, you might, you know, I don't know what you make per hour at your job if you have a job, but there's no income cap when you go into working for yourself, especially with direct mail. All right, there's people in this industry who earn 6 and 7 figures a year simply mailing out postcards. And some people don't believe that when I tell them, but it's the truth. I mean, there are people that make 6 and 7 figures a year mailing out postcards, and it doesn't get any easier than mailing out a postcard. So again, you know, you can work in direct mail opportunities. There's affiliate marketing, there's membership programs, there's 1,000 different ways and different side hustles that you can start nowadays. But the most enjoyable to me is doing direct mail. I love getting checks in the mail every single week, and it's just fun. It's exciting. It's very duplicatable, you know, so when people join me, I show them exactly what I'm doing, and they can duplicate that. You don't need to be a marketing wizard or have an email list of 100,000 people in order to make this work. All right, you don't have to have anything to make this work other than postage stamps and a willingness to put in the work and show up every day and take action. All right, so that's why I love direct mail. Also, when you join me in any of my opportunities, you're going to get a resource page that has over 80 different places that you can share these opportunities online. 99% of them are free. You're going to get my direct mail letter template, the exact same template I use to mail out my mailings every single week. And you're going to get my contact information so that you can reach out to me anytime you have any questions or need any assistance. All right. So if you're looking for a way or an easier way to generate extra income online without working overtime, you can go to joinruss.com. All right. There'll be a link below this video, joinruss.com. This has all of my opportunities on there. Go through them all, check them all out. You'll see that I have a system in place for each of them that does all the selling and telling for me. And my only job is to get people over to my pages, which I'm going to show you when you join me. I'm going to show you how simple this is and how anyone can do this, okay? So with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. Happy spring again. I can't believe spring is here. I'm so excited, although it's raining here today, but that's okay. And I appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you on my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.